CRWV stock, is this the right time to buy? Make sure to stick to this 1-minute video till the end to find out. As the only person in this space with 40,000 videos, I've definitely seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately with CRWV, I'm just looking to double up and buy. You can see beforehand here. Yeah, there you go. This was sitting at 51.58 2 weeks back, 4th of May. That was phenomenal. I mean, it was such a crazy good call out, and I was looking for the same exact thing beforehand. I mean, just recently, right? It didn't turn out to be right purely because just no rules got met. And honestly, in this particular instance, I'm just looking to double down and buy more. So how's all this going to look like? Well, I'm going to mark down my supply, my demand zone here. And only if the price does pull down and shows me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to buy. Other than that, really randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. I'll see you in the next one.